Title: Understanding the Role of a Trucking Accident Attorney in Baton Rouge. Introduction. Baton Rouge, the capital city of Louisiana, is a bustling hub of commerce and transportation, with a significant portion of the state's economy relying on the trucking industry. While the trucking industry plays a crucial role in ensuring the efficient movement of goods, it also brings along a heightened risk of accidents, which can have devastating consequences. When these accidents occur, trucking accident attorneys in Baton Rouge become indispensable advocates for victims seeking justice and compensation. The trucking industry in Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge, strategically located along the Mississippi River, serves as a vital transportation and distribution center in the southern United States. The city's roadways, including major highways like I-10 and I-12, are heavily trafficked by commercial trucks moving goods to and from the region. While the trucking industry is essential for the local and regional economy, it also contributes to an increased risk of accidents due to the size and weight of these vehicles. Common causes of trucking accidents. Trucking accidents can result from a variety of factors, often unique to the industry. Some common causes include: 1. Fatigue. Long hours on the road can lead to driver fatigue, impairing judgment and reaction time. 2. Speeding. The pressure to meet tight delivery schedules can encourage truck drivers to exceed speed limits, increasing the risk of accidents. 3. Overloaded or improperly loaded cargo. Improperly loaded cargo can affect a truck's balance and handling, leading to accidents. 4. Mechanical failures. Neglected maintenance and mechanical issues can result in equipment failure on the road. 5. Distracted driving. Just like any other driver, truckers can become distracted by cell phones, navigation systems, or other distractions. 6. Impaired driving. Substance abuse, including alcohol and drugs, can impair a truck driver's abilities. The role of a trucking accident attorney. Trucking accident attorneys in Baton Rouge specialize in handling cases related to accidents involving commercial trucks. Their role is crucial for victims who have suffered physical, emotional, and financial damages due to these accidents. Here are the primary functions of a trucking accident attorney. 1. Legal expertise. A trucking accident attorney possesses in-depth knowledge of the laws and regulations governing the trucking industry. This expertise allows them to identify liability and potential violations. 2. Investigation. Attorneys work to gather evidence from accident scenes, witness statements, and official reports to build a strong case. 3. Negotiation. Trucking accident attorneys negotiate with insurance companies and other parties to secure fair compensation for their clients. 4. Litigation. If necessary, trucking accident attorneys are prepared to take cases to court and represent their clients in legal proceedings. 5. Advocacy. attorneys serve as advocates for their clients, ensuring their rights are protected and that they receive the medical care and compensation they deserve. 6. Expert witnesses. They may consult with experts in accident reconstruction, trucking safety, and medical fields to strengthen the case. Conclusion. Trucking accidents can lead to life-altering consequences for victims, making it essential to have the assistance of a qualified trucking accident attorney in Baton Rouge. These legal professionals are well-versed in the complexities of the trucking industry and the laws that regulate it. Their dedication to seeking justice and compensation for victims is crucial in helping those affected by these accidents on the road to recovery. If you or a loved one has been involved in a trucking accident in Baton Rouge, seeking the expertise of a trucking accident attorney is a crucial step in your journey towards justice and restitution. Title: Baton Rouge Trucking Accident Attorney, your legal guardian in times of crisis. Introduction. Accidents involving large commercial trucks can be catastrophic, resulting in severe injuries and substantial property damage. Baton Rouge, the capital city of Louisiana, is no stranger to trucking accidents due to its bustling transportation industry and major highways. When such unfortunate incidents occur, seeking the expertise of a Baton Rouge trucking accident attorney is crucial to ensure justice, compensation, and relief for victims and their families. Understanding trucking accidents. Trucking accidents often involve complex legal issues, making it imperative to hire an attorney with specialized knowledge in this area. Baton Rouge is intersected by major highways like I-10 and I-12, where a significant portion of trucking accidents occur due to high traffic volumes and the presence of commercial trucks. These accidents can result from various factors, such as driver fatigue, mechanical failures, overloading, distracted driving, and other forms of negligence. The role of a Baton Rouge trucking accident attorney. 1. Expertise in trucking regulations. A skilled trucking accident attorney in Baton Rouge is well-versed in federal and state regulations governing the trucking industry. They can navigate the complex legal landscape, ensuring that the responsible party is held accountable for their actions. 2. Investigation and evidence gathering. Trucking accidents require meticulous investigation and the gathering of substantial evidence. Attorneys work closely with accident reconstruction specialists, investigators, and medical professionals to build a strong case. They collect data from the scene, analyze maintenance records, and interview witnesses to establish liability. 3. Negotiating with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies can be challenging, especially when they try to minimize payouts. A Baton Rouge trucking accident attorney can negotiate on behalf of their clients to ensure they receive the compensation they deserve, covering medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, and pain and suffering. 4. Litigation when necessary. If negotiations with the responsible party or insurance company are unsuccessful, the attorney can take the case to court. Litigation might be the only way to secure full and fair compensation for the victim. Experienced trucking accident attorneys are well prepared to represent their clients in the courtroom. 5. Compassionate support. In addition to legal representation, trucking accident attorneys in Baton Rouge understand the emotional and physical toll accidents take on victims and their families. They offer compassionate support, guiding clients through the legal process and helping them find the medical care and resources they need to recover. Conclusion. Trucking accidents can be devastating, both in terms of physical injuries and emotional trauma. Baton Rouge trucking accident attorneys are here to help victims find justice and financial relief during these trying times. Their expertise in trucking regulations, diligent investigation, and strong negotiation skills make them indispensable allies in the quest for justice. If you or a loved one has been a victim of a trucking accident in Baton Rouge, don't hesitate to seek legal counsel to protect your rights and secure the compensation you deserve. Title: Seeking Justice, Trucking Accident Attorney in Baton Rouge. Introduction. Accidents involving large commercial trucks can have devastating consequences, leaving victims with severe injuries, property damage, and emotional trauma. In Baton Rouge, Louisiana, these incidents are not uncommon, given the city's significant role as a transportation hub. When you or a loved one falls victim to a trucking accident, it's crucial to seek the assistance of a qualified trucking accident attorney in Baton Rouge. In this article, we'll explore the essential role of these legal professionals in advocating for victims and pursuing justice. The importance of trucking accident attorneys. 1. Expertise in trucking regulations. Trucking accident cases are complex due to the unique laws and regulations that govern the industry. Trucking companies must adhere to strict rules regarding driver qualifications, vehicle maintenance, and load safety. A seasoned trucking accident attorney in Baton Rouge will have a deep understanding of these regulations, allowing them to build a solid case on your behalf. 2. Investigative skills. Trucking accidents require a comprehensive investigation to determine the liable parties and the causes of the accident. An experienced attorney will work alongside experts to gather evidence, review police reports, obtain black box data from the truck, and interview witnesses. This meticulous approach ensures that no detail is overlooked and that you have a compelling case. 3. Identifying liable parties. Trucking accidents often involve multiple parties that could be held responsible for the accident. These may include the truck driver, the trucking company, the manufacturer of the vehicle or its parts, and even third parties such as maintenance companies or loading personnel. Your attorney will evaluate each potential defendant and build a case against them as needed. 4. Negotiating with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies can be a daunting task, and these companies often seek to minimize their payouts. A skilled Baton Rouge trucking accident attorney will negotiate on your behalf to ensure you receive fair compensation for your injuries, medical expenses, lost wages, and emotional suffering. 5. Pursuing maximum compensation. Trucking accidents often result in catastrophic injuries that require extensive medical care and rehabilitation. Your attorney will work tirelessly to seek compensation that not only covers your immediate costs, but also considers any future medical expenses and lost earning potential. 6. Advocating for your rights in court. In some cases, a settlement may not be reached, and a lawsuit becomes necessary. Your attorney will represent you in court, presenting your case before a judge and jury, and fighting for the justice and compensation you deserve. Conclusion. Trucking accidents can shatter lives, leaving victims to cope with physical, emotional, and financial burdens. However, the right trucking accident attorney in Baton Rouge can be a lifeline during this challenging time. These legal professionals bring their expertise, investigative skills, and legal knowledge to the table, helping you secure the compensation and justice you deserve. If you or a loved one has been involved in a trucking accident, don't hesitate to seek the support of a seasoned Baton Rouge trucking accident attorney to ensure your rights are protected and justice is served. Trucking accidents differ significantly from typical car accidents due to the unique aspects of commercial trucking. They involve multiple parties, complex regulations, and severe injuries. To navigate these complexities, victims of trucking accidents require the expertise of an experienced attorney. 1. Expertise in trucking regulations. Commercial trucking is subject to a multitude of federal and state regulations aimed at ensuring safety on the road. A proficient Baton Rouge trucking accident attorney is well-versed in these regulations and can identify violations that may have contributed to the accident. This knowledge is invaluable in building a solid case for the victim. 2. Identifying liability. Determining liability in a trucking accident can be intricate. It may involve the truck driver, the trucking company, maintenance personnel, or even the manufacturer of truck components. An attorney who specializes in these cases will investigate thoroughly to determine who is at fault and hold them accountable. 3. Handling insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies can be a challenging and lengthy process, particularly when a commercial truck is involved. Trucking companies often have substantial insurance coverage, and their insurers may employ aggressive tactics to minimize payouts. A skilled attorney can negotiate with insurance companies on behalf of the victim to secure fair compensation. 4. Pursuing compensation. Trucking accidents can result in significant damages, including medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. A Baton Rouge trucking accident attorney will work tirelessly to ensure that victims are compensated adequately for all their losses. This includes both economic damages, like medical expenses, and non-economic damages, such as emotional distress. 5. Litigation experience. If a settlement cannot be reached through negotiations, a seasoned trucking accident attorney is prepared to take the case to court. They will use their knowledge and courtroom experience to fight for the victim's rights and pursue justice through litigation. Conclusion. Trucking accidents in Baton Rouge and elsewhere can have devastating consequences, and the road to recovery is often long and arduous. Seeking the guidance of a qualified trucking accident attorney in Baton Rouge is essential for ensuring that victims receive the justice and compensation they deserve. These specialized attorneys bring a wealth of knowledge, experience, and resources to advocate on behalf of their clients, making a critical difference in the outcome of these complex cases. If you or a loved one has been involved in a trucking accident in Baton Rouge, do not hesitate to seek the assistance of a dedicated attorney to navigate the legal process and help you on the path to recovery.